Welcome to video number 3, and we're going to talk about customizing the worksheets and how to really speed up the process. Before we move on to sheet number 2, let me show you how I added and customized the sheets. So what I want you to do is just go over to the workbook here. And when we created these sheets, we actually sped the process up a lot faster by copying each sheet. Now, to copy a sheet, what you want to do is you want to find the sheet that you want to copy or even move, and you want to right click and then click on move or copy. Now, this allows you to speed the process up, and then it says move selected sheets to book certain book or to before a certain sheet, or you can simply create a copy. So that's what I want to do. I just want to create a copy. So I'm going to create a copy of sheet 5. And then, of course, as you can see here is sheet 5, 2 in parentheses. That means it is a copy. So that's the same thing. And then, of course, you can drag it around however you wish. So I can move it down here. And this is sheet 8 and this is sheet 5. And I also can right click and rename. So if I wanted to name the sheet 9, I could do that as well. So obviously sheet 9 is already taken, so I'm going to sheet 15. So for example, we'll do that. And there we go. So that's nice to have if you're building upon each other. So for example, if you have maybe sheet 1, you have a list of names or you have a list of numbers, and then sheet 2, you're building upon that sheet. This is why this is good to have tabs and sheets, because then you can duplicate it, or you can have a duplicate, and just in case you mess up, you always can backtrack and go back to the back. So that's a nice little feature that you can have to not only organize things, but to back things up and do a lot more than that, and to build upon that as well. And you can do a lot more. So for example, we can change the tab color, which is also good to have, especially if you have many different tabs. Otherwise, it's all white or all gray. So if you have it color coded and you have things color coded according to your business, then you can do the same so that you know exactly what they are. So part of the reason why a lot of us slow down as in a business is because we don't know what is what, right? So as far as organization goes, if you can color code certain items and accordingly color code it with the workbook or Excel spreadsheet, then it's going to make your life a lot easier. Quickly and in a snap, you're able to find things right away.